This is Holly Welch. I'm a residential real estate agent in Marin. You can contact me at hollyandmarin.com. And today we're going to talk about 3 tips on how to have a successful open house. My first tip is staging. I get asked all the time about staging, if it's worth it, should I spend the money? The answer is yes. You will definitely get your money out of it if you stage properly. You also want to help create a great lifestyle so the potential buyers can see the image and the lifestyle of themselves moving in. The second tip is curb appeal. Curb appeal is a first impression, so you want to make sure your landscaping is trimmed and in good condition and your grass is new or properly taken care of. This is the first and last impression your potential buyers will see. The third tip is don't be home. Make sure all your pets and people in your family are not home. It makes the buyers feel really uncomfortable. So make sure you are not home. And the bonus tip is to pick the right listing agent to hold your open house. You want to ask your listing agent if they've pre-marketed your home. Are they networking amongst all the other real estate agents to make sure you get a really good turnout for your open house? And of course, your agent should be local, trusted, and someone who knows your market. So if you're interested in talking to me about listing your home and holding your open house, you can find my contact information at hollyandmarin.com. Thank you.